my name is Swissbianco. We are here at the SHOT Show 2011 in Las Vegas, and in front of me is the brand new Victorinox Toma knife. This is something really special right now. New model of Swiss Army knife, like we never had it before. It's designed in Japan by Mr. Abitax Tokyo. How far I know about it, it's the Japanese distributor of Victorinox. They really want to have such a square Swiss Army knife. The sight is exactly like the classic. The tools too. We have it in different colors. This one is in Swiss Army red. The box is recycled egg carton. What is interesting, the feature is the hole in the box, so you see the color of the knife. So in front is a nice Victorinox logo pressed in, and you can open it like that. So one goal by design of this knife was to have the packaging made out of recycled material, so it's economically, environmentally friendly. Let's take out the knife. I have to do this a bit single-handed. We have on one side the scissor, on the other side the main blade with the file. Of course, the split ring. The body is exactly the same like the classic. It's covered with two pieces of square plastic in different colors. Now I try quick to open it. The main blade. There you see how that will look. So it feels pretty good in your hand. The square design, yeah, it gives you a better feel than a classic. The plastic is slightly textured, has a nice feel to it, so you can really good use it. The action is of course smooth, like with any other classic knife. The retail price is right now not available. It's brand new. The press release did not come out yet either, so I don't know much more of the details other than the price will be in a range of the Spartan. I hope that is correct, but we will see as the final press release comes out. It will be then also in the Swissbianco newsletter in the different colors. That was the first review of the new Victorinox Toma knife, special edition, Japanese designer.